Hey guys, in this video I am going to show how to install Google Chrome on Windows 11 operating system. I will also show how to pin Google Chrome on your taskbar. In addition, I will show how to set Google Chrome as your default browser. So let's get started. So just open your Microsoft Edge browser, which is the browser available on your Windows operating system. Now going to just search for Google. You can see a bunch of results, so you click on this link to www.google.com. Now you again going to just search for Chrome browser download. You can see a bunch of results, so you click on this link. This is Google Chrome page. Now click on the Download Chrome button or scroll through the menu. You will see this Download Chrome button in different places. Click on the Download Chrome button. Open Downloaded folder. Double-click on the Chrome Setup application. Then click on the Run button. Now you can see that the download and installation process has started. The Google Chrome browser will open automatically when the installation is complete. Now set up your browser in a few simple steps. So click on the Get Started button. Add bookmarks to your favorite Google apps. Then click on the Next button. Pick a background and click on the Next button. If you want to set your Google Chrome browser as the default browser, you can click the Set as Default button. Scroll down and find the Google Chrome. Then click on Google Chrome. Now click on the Set Default button. Okay, so here you can see now the default browser on my Windows operating system is Google Chrome. Click the Continue button and sign into Chrome. Your Chrome browser is fully ready to browse after signing in. If you want to pin the Chrome browser in the taskbar, you need to open the Chrome browser. Right-click on this Google Chrome. Then click on Pin to Taskbar option. Now close the Google Chrome browser. You can just start your Google Chrome browser from the taskbar. So in this way you can download and install Google Chrome browser on your Windows 10 or 11 operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Please comment, I will try to give correct answer. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.